What's up, everybody? We're in the van. Tyler, got Dale, Thomas, Josh. Josh says he knows where he's going, but we'll see if he really does. He's braving it without a GPS. Yeah, I'm gonna go that you do know where you're going. I'm not gonna bet against you. Anyways, we are doing a DNOW, Toccoa Falls. Excited to be here, and excited to see what the Lord has in store. Thankful for these guys. It's gonna be a fun weekend. Day 2, Toccoa. Is it Toccoa Falls or just Toccoa, Georgia?
I think it's Toccoa, Georgia.
Toccoa, Georgia. DNOW weekend. Guys, we're getting coffee. I don't drink coffee, but I'm here for the hangs. Good times. Hey Tyler.
Hey.
Welcome.
That last step is bigger than the other ones. So.
This is where the spirit falls first, brother.
Ain't no bell there, bud.
Dude, we are up here, bro. We are up here.
Oh, F sharp.
Thomas, please don't forget to take a photo tonight so we can post it on our socials.
Well, if you don't see a post, if you only see a video like in a week or so, people with me on this, then you know, and no photos, then I mean, I might forget. That's what I'm saying.
I'm gonna go 80% that he forgets. What a day, man. In Toccoa, we've been hanging out around Josh's alma mater. He showed us great food, Shirley's.
That's right.
Took us to the falls. Amazing. Now we're about to play some ping pong. Sure. We've had a tour of this 150-year-old church. That's absolutely beautiful. And it's been a good time. Thankful to be here. So I'm on top of a 150-year-old church. It's scary up here, but I get the honor of ringing the bell. Let's do this. Oh, I missed.